Alright, for part 3, we're going to take a look at two different types of series. One is called a convergent series. Now, something that is convergent, it means that it will terminate. It will terminate. It will end. An example is something like this. If I look at geometric, it's something like 2, and if my r is 1/2 to the n. If we list this out, if we list out the terms, we would get 2. Plug in the 0 there. Plug in the 1, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and so on and so forth. In other words, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And because it just gets smaller and smaller and smaller, eventually, what will be the last number? 0. It never reaches 0, but we say it approaches 0. And we say that this is something that is convergent. It's converging to 0. Now, when we get to calculus, we spend about a month talking about convergent and different types of convergent and divergent series. Now, divergent, something that is divergent, means it will never terminate. An example like this could be something like our example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. It keeps getting larger. In other words, it never reaches a specific number. It never reaches a specific number. Matter of fact, it approaches infinity, in fact. Now, another example of a divergent series would be this: 1, -1, 1, -1, 1, -1. Now, why would this be considered divergent? Because, again, it does not reach a specific number. And you have to know these for both calculus and beyond, okay? And that's it for part 3.